What are meteorites? Sometimes during the night when we look at the sky, we find that a star after disintegration has made a streak of light in the atmosphere and is lost. In fact, these heavenly bodies falling after disintegration are not stars, they are meteorites. They are of varying sizes. Whenever any of the celestial bodies, while making revolutions, comes nearer to the Earth, it is attracted towards the Earth due to its force of gravitation. Attraction increases the velocity of the body, and this in turn increases friction with the atmospheric air. Consequently, it becomes very hot. As a result of this, hot gases start coming out of it. These gases start burning and the atmosphere is lighted. The sound of friction in the air is heard over long distances. Because of heat and friction, the body disintegrates into small pieces, which are scattered in the atmosphere. But some of these meteorites are so big that they are not completely dislodged in the atmosphere, and some of their parts are all on the Earth. Meteorites become visible to us only when they are in the atmosphere, at a height of 512 kilometers from the Earth. Majority of them are destroyed in the atmosphere by the time they come down to a height of 80 kilometers. Their downward velocity ranges from 160 kilometers to 200 kilometers per second. They fall both during the day and the night, but they are not visible during the day because of the bright sunlight. Meteorites are in fact pieces of the comets. Whenever the Earth approaches the orbit of some comet, some pieces of it are attracted towards the Earth. These pieces may be big or small. The biggest meteorite reaching the Earth weighed 37 tons. There are three kinds of meteorites. The first kind is called the shooting star. A meteor of this kind is like a dim-lighted star. The second is a meteoric stone. It is so big that some part of it reaches the Earth. The third kind is the fireballs. Even if they are big, they are destroyed in the atmosphere itself. The outer layer of the meteorites is hot, but the inner layers are cold. Because of the melting of the outer layer, a thin, shining layer gets deposited outside. In many meteorites, there are craters like ones caused on human faces by smallpox. The formation of the meteorites is similar to that of the ordinary crystalline stones of the Earth. Their crystalline nature suggests that they must have been in molten state at some stage. Quite often, the meteorites are composed of stones, iron, nickel, and other elements. At 7 a.m. on the 30th June 1908, a fierce meteorite was sighted in Yenishi, a small province of Siberia. Even though the sun had already risen, thousands of people saw its flash and heard its thundering sound. Its fall caused big tremor in the Earth. The dense forest around its fall was destroyed. The Earth cracked and deep ditches were formed. Houses within a radius of 50 miles collapsed and many lives were lost. The meteoric stone pierced the Earth so deep that to date it has not been traced.